Hi, welcome to the podcast for When the Curves Line Up for October 1st, 2024, featuring how to find planets Uranus and Neptune in the sky with a binocular. Please see the article that includes diagrams of today's events on the website at whenthecurveslineup.com. Text by Jeffrey L. Hunt. Events are described relative to sunrise and sunset. Find those times in local sources. Daylight's length today is 11 hours, 43 minutes. By Halloween, the length decreases another 79 minutes, a loss of over 2 minutes of daylight each day. After its conjunction with the Sun yesterday, Mercury slowly emerges from the Sun's glare. It is east of the Sun, setting shortly after sunset. Venus, Saturn, Jupiter, and Mars are visible during the nighttime. Brilliant Venus is in the west-southwest after sunset, still shining through bright evening twilight. At 40 minutes after sundown, it is over 5 degrees up in the west-southwest. During the next few evenings through a binocular, watch Venus approach Zubin el-Janubi, the Scorpion's southern claw, 4.6 degrees to Venus upper left. At this hour, Saturn is over 15 degrees above the east-southeast horizon. It retrogrades in front of a dim Aquarius starfield. Look for Venus and Saturn simultaneously. Next month, Jupiter appears with the two evening planets, followed by Mars during December. An hour before daybreak, bright Jupiter is high in the south-southwest, plodding eastward in front of Taurus, 6.3 degrees to Elnathan's lower left, the bull's northern horn. Mars, marching eastward in front of Gemini, is nearly 25 degrees to Jupiter's lower left and 10.4 degrees to Pollux' upper right, one of the twins. Here is today's sky watching highlight. The online article has two charts showing planets Uranus and Neptune in their respective starfields. With the moon near the new moon phase, use a binocular to find planets Uranus and Neptune. Uranus is best observed before morning twilight brightens and Neptune's best celestial sighting occurs near midnight. Uranus is in the same binocular field with the Pleiades star cluster that rides on the back of Taurus in celestial artwork. First, locate Jupiter high in the southern sky. The famous star cluster is over 20 degrees to the Jovian giant's lower right. The cluster's 6 brightest stars resemble a miniature dipper. Place them to the upper right side of the binocular field. Locate the stars 13 Tauri and 14 Tauri toward the opposite edge of the field. Aquamarine Uranus is the same brightness as 13 Tauri and brighter than 14 Tauri. It is to the lower right of the stellar pair, near 6 o'clock in the binocular field. Bluish Neptune is dimmer than Uranus and best viewed around the midnight hour. At 5 hours after sundown, it is halfway up in the southern sky, nearly 14 degrees to Saturn's upper left. The modern model of the solar system's most distant planet is in front of a faint, unremarkable Pisces starfield. This morning Neptune is 3.3 times Saturn's solar distance and it is only 10% of the ring wonder's brightness. When Neptune is at the center of the binocular field, the stars 20 Piscium, 24 Piscium, 27 Piscium, and 29 Piscium make somewhat of a semicircle below the planet. The star 24 Piscium is slightly yellow-orange, 29 is blue-white, and the other two are yellow-white. Locating Neptune is a challenging view, especially because no bright celestial body is in the same binocular field. This takes some persistence and perhaps attempts across multiple nights while the moon is not in the sky. Thank you for listening. Please read the articles at whenthecurveslineup.com.